The Chase Freedom Flex offers numerous ways to earn bonus cash back through everyday spending and quarterly rotating bonus categories, making it a potential game changer. The Chase Freedom Flex credit card should be one of your first stops if you're looking for the best year-round rewards. Why? Well, keep watching on this video to learn all about this card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest credit card news for you to keep up to date with. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more insightful and amazing content. So make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that you're always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. And so, without further ado, let's start today's video. Chase is probably one of the best rewards credit card issuers, and with good reason. The bank issues many great rewards cards which offer generous bonus categories as well as provide excellent travel benefits. Many of these credit cards can also be combined to make a well-rounded credit card strategy. One of Chase's cashback credit cards that's great for pairing with other Chase cards is the new Chase Freedom Flex. The Chase Freedom Flex is the newest cashback credit card, which is taking the old Chase Freedom card and adding unique benefits and bonus categories. A no annual fee credit card offers an amazing return across a number of spending categories, and also the card becomes much more valuable when you combine it with your Chase Ultimate Rewards credit card. The Chase Freedom Flex is a fantastic all-around card for beginners and fans of cash back. It's quite easy to be approved for many top-tier cards from Amex and Chase, and it offers many great benefits for a no annual fee card. However, this credit card is also great for pairing as part of a larger credit card strategy for rewards experts. So if you have a Chase Ultimate Rewards card, like the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, the rewards you redeem with the Freedom Flex can be converted to full-fledged Ultimate Rewards points, which also doubles their value in TPG's eyes. Furthermore, the card does come with a 0% intro APR period for 15 months on purchases, and balance transfers from around 16.49% to 25.24% variable APR applies after that, making it a pretty good option for those wanting to finance a larger purchase without paying any interest. Moreover, the Chase Freedom Flex's current welcome offer clocks in at $200 after you spend around $500 in your initial 3 months of card ownership. Also, this bonus has held steady since the card's launch and is quite generous considering the card changes no yearly fee and comes with a low spending requirement relative to competing cards. Also, a handful of competitors' options require you to spend $750 or around $1,000 to earn a comparable bonus. And a $200 return for spending $500 in your first 3 months is just about the best minimalist spenders can hope for. If that does not sound like much to you, then think of it this way. If you spend exactly $500 in 3 months, and your credit card issuer will give you around 40% of what you spent back, not accounting for cash back accrued from reward spending. The Freedom Flex is undoubtedly a World Elite MasterCard, meaning it comes with a few extra benefits you might not know about. For example, cardholders who take 3 Lyft rides in 1 month can get a $5 credit towards their next ride. The Freedom Flex cardholders also earn 5% cash back on purchases with HelloFresh for their next delivery. This is a great benefit if you want to explore prepared meal delivery over going out to eat. Also, MasterCard Elite cards offer users a free membership to ShopRunner, which provides complimentary as well as 2-day shipping from dozens of major retailers. Fans of food delivery service DoorDash will get to enjoy a special perk with the Freedom Flex. The cardholders are eligible to sign up for a free Dash Pass membership, which basically covers 3 months of membership fees. After just the first 3 months, you're automatically enrolled at a 50% discount for 9 more months. Moreover, with Dash Pass, cardholders get $0 delivery fees and reduced service fees on qualifying orders. Also, DoorDash estimates that users can save an average of $5 per order, which can significantly add up for takeout enthusiasts. Even after the first 3 months of free membership, the reduced membership cost is said to be $5 a month for the remainder of the year. This means that you only have to order delivery 2 times a month to cover its cost. Moreover, the Freedom Flex credit card's backbone is its rotating 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in quarters activated bonus category spending, and then get 1% back. Chase's bonus categories are said to be announced quarterly, and they usually feature essential expenses. So from July 1st to September 30th, you'll earn cash back in the following categories: gas, movie theaters, car rentals, and select live entertainment. And while the card's 5% cashback categories rotate quarterly, you can earn year-round in other types, including unlimited 5% cash back on Chase Ultimate Rewards travel purchases and 3% back on drugstore and restaurant purchases, which includes takeout and eligible delivery services. Many other rotating category cards, like the Discover It Cashback, offer similar bonus categories. And still, Freedom Flex sets itself apart with the additional rewards categories it shares with the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Chase Ultimate Rewards points are worth 1 cent per piece when you redeem for cashback travel and gift cards through the Ultimate Rewards store. By paying with rewards on Amazon.com, it slightly devalues your rewards to 0.8 cents on each point. Do you want more than 1 cent a piece? Well, you can just increase the value of rewards by pooling them with a Premier Chase travel card. Your points are worth more if you earn them for travel in the Ultimate Rewards portal using either the Sapphire Preferred card, which makes points worth 1.25 cents per piece, or the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which makes them worth 1.5 cents per piece. However, both cards charge annual fees of $95 or $550. So if you're looking to boost your rewards this way, be sure you'll get enough value out of the card's perks or rewards rates to offset their annual fees. If you're feeling generous, your Freedom Flex rewards can bump up to 1.25 cents per point when you contribute them to participating charities using Chase's Pay Yourself Back feature. As a no annual fee credit card, you usually shouldn't expect many perks and benefits outside of the earning structure. However, the Chase Freedom Flex offers a few additional benefits for cardholders. The Freedom Flex is a MasterCard. Unlike most of Chase's credit cards, you can access a solid cell phone protection plan as part of the MasterCard network. You're covered for $800 for theft or damage per claim, with a maximum of 2 claims and $1,000 total in 12 months, though you may have to pay a $50 deductible. You should pay your monthly phone bill with the card to receive this coverage. 2020 was a big year for Chase, between the revamp of the Chase Sapphire Reserve, as well as a slew of new partnerships and benefits, and the updates to the Chase Freedom Card family. Also, the Chase Freedom Flex is a solid cashback card that offers an impressive reward structure and valuable sign-up bonus, especially when considering it's a no annual fee credit card. The Freedom Flex is new to the market. However, it's already established itself as a solid cashback credit card among the competition. Probably the most direct rival to the card is its sister card, which is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Unlimited offers the same sign-up rewards and bonus structure, with one notable difference. Instead of earning 5% on rotating categories, you'll get 1.5% cash back on all non-bonus spending. The Freedom Unlimited may be the better option for those who don't like the prospect of activating quarterly categories or don't think they'd be able to maximize them. However, remember that Chase Freedom Unlimited is a Visa credit card, which means you won't get any MasterCard benefits, including cell phone protection. Well, that's all we got for you today, guys. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to always be up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.